we have three different basic categories of bags. You are going to know them today and know where you belong to, so you don't jump here and there confusing yourself with the type of materials to buy, the kind of machines needed, the marketing strategies, and all of that. Okay, the category number one is the handbags category. Second, luggage. Third one is the dynamic bags. These three different categories have their own method, materials, accessories, machines, and then the marketing strategies, the kinds of clients you should focus your attention on, the kind of location you should focus your attention or base your search or your marketing on. Okay, yes, you don't need to be the same person who is a pilot on the sky and then a captain boat in the water, a driver on the land transportation. No, these are different people. But I don't know why bag makers, some of you want to carry everything on your head. It is not working. It's not done that way. Okay, now the handbags categories, we have the tote bags. We have classic tote bags. Under that category, we also have the fashion clutch bags. Under that same category, we have like the fashion clutch bags are like the hobos bags, okay? Yes. And then the handbags, such as the careless bag, baking bag, and all of that, right? Yes. When you carefully look at these bags, you discover that the pattern making, the materials needed, the accessories, the process are the same. Now let's go to the luggage bags. Luggage are traveling bags, such as the regular traveling bag, the crossbody bag, briefcase, also this particular laptop bag and backpack. These materials are the same. The patterns, the machines needed are also the same. The materials we use for making basic school bags, we don't use those materials to make fashion bags. Just imagine using rock or stock taffeta to make a hobo handbag. How do you want the bag to come out? That is the way some of you are competing with other people without knowing the basics. When they say pay money and go to the school of leather work, you won't pay the money. Pay for the training, original tutors. Some of you like falling to the wrong ones. While I am here teaching people since 2019 till now, tomorrow, and continually. And once you pay, you pay. You don't need to repay again. I am not that tutor whereby you pay for one bag separately, the second bag separately. No, once you pay once, you pay for everything. We have 4 different online classes. Let's not go into that. Now, the third category is the dynamic bags. Dynamic bags are bags made for objects according to their shapes and size. So you are to specialize in either dynamic bags, luggage, or handbags. Now, dynamic bags, an example, are those bags made for saxophone, trumpet, piano, keyboard, guitar. When you see someone who is a specialized dynamic bag maker, you will discover their guitar bags are unique. They comes out with a beautiful shape, the structure and everything is different. From those of you that claim to be jack of all trades, you master none, you design a kind of guitar bag and the shape will be like noodles that were not well cooked. When you see someone who is a specialist in handbags, you discover their bags are so beautiful, and then some of you will be competing with them and be failing. It's wrong. So please, from today, know the category you belong to. Check yourself. In secondary school, they will be like, what do you want to become in the future? What is the future?